So I'm going to ask. Yes, dear. Yes, kindly mute yourself. Mute your mic. Yes, children. In last class we learned one story, right? And I'm going to ask only two questions. What is the name of the story? Yes, what is the name of the story? The lesson name. Kindly text in your chat box. Yes, children, last class we learned in story, right? Janvika, kindly mute your video, Kana. Mute your mic and video. Yes. Yes, very good. Naughty boy. Nutcut. लड़का. हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? Nutcut. लड़का. Okay, children. Name of the characters of this story. How many characters? How many characters? Yes, only two characters. What is the name? The character's name? Somu and Bandar. Very good, Nandana. Yes, yes, Subramani, kindly mute your mic. Only text in your chat box here. Yes, very good, children. What is the name of the story? The name of the story is, yes, Natkat Ladka. And how many characters in this story? Only two characters. The one is Somu and another one is his monkey. Yes, the monkey. Yes, children, let me start. So first I'm going to repeat one more time that same story. Then after that we go to the continue the story. Okay, children? So I hope all my kids are listening here. Kindly listen and repeat after me, and at the end of the session I will ask you questions. Kindly listen here, children, and answer the questions at the end of the session. Okay? Okay, let's see, children. The story name, Natkat Ladka. Natkat Ladka, naughty boy. Kindly mute your mic, all of you. Yes, children. See, यहाँ पर देखिए क्या है. Let's see the first slide. First, I'm going to read, children. I want all my kids listen here. एक गांव में सोमू नाम का लड़का रहता था. I want all my kids listen here and repeat after me. एक गांव में सोमू नाम का लड़का रहता था. सोमू नाम का लड़का रहता था. वह रोज स्कूल नहीं जाता था. वह रोज स्कूल नहीं जाता था. खेल कूद करता रहता था. खेल कूद करता रहता था. See, children, did you all see the boy? See, can you see? This boy name is Somu. Let's see the first line. एक गांव में सोमू नाम का लड़का रहता था. See, in the village lived a boy. What is the name of the boy? The boy name is Somu. And next line. वह रोज स्कूल नहीं जाता था. What happened? He doesn't want to go to school every day. He don't want to go to school daily. Okay, children, he did not go to school every day. Then what happened? Khel kood means game, otherwise to play. Khel kood karta rehta tha. What happened? He always wants to play. See, children, this is very bad habit, right? The boy doesn't want to go to school and he always wants to play with the monkey and play with the friends. This is bad habit, right, children? We will do on time everything, right? Play time play and study time study we will do, right? But this Somu boy is not going to school every day. He always wants to play. Let's see the second slide. See children, continue this. I want all my kids repeat after me. उस गांव में बहुत बंदर रहते थे. उस गांव में बहुत बंदर रहते थे. सोमू के साथ खेलता था. सोमू उसके साथ खेलता था. See children, in the second slide it tells about in the first what we see in a village lived a boy. The boy name is Somu and he doesn't want to go to school and he always wants to play, right? But here what happened in this village? See, so many monkeys are lived. Can you see the image, children? The first image. See, so many monkeys are lived. So in this village, so many monkeys are lived. And what happened? सोमू उसके साथ. 1 minute children. Yes. So children, सोमू उसके साथ खेलता था. What happened? Somu also to play with him. He also started with playing with monkey. See children, he doesn't want to go to school, but he always wants to play with monkey. This is good habit or bad habit, children? Can you text in your chat box? This is good or bad? Very bad habit. Always will, yes. Sometimes we will play and sometimes we will study, right? And go properly to school. But this boy is not going to school properly and he always playing with the monkey. This is bad habit, right, children? And next, what happened? Let's see next what happened. See children, listen here. एक दिन बंदर भी सोमू के साथ. Kindly mute and repeat after me. Yes dear, kindly mute yourself and repeat after me. एक दिन बंदर भी सोमू के साथ स्कूल चला गया. Can you repeat one more time, children? एक दिन बंदर भी सोमू के साथ स्कूल चला गया. वह स्कूल के पास आम के भाग में आम लगे थे. दोनों वही खेलने लगे. Yes children, what happened? That the previous slide what we see, let's say see in this village so many monkeys are lived and Somu also wants to play with the monkey, right? But what happened? Ek din means one day. One day monkey also went to the school. Yes. Yes children, what happened? One day monkey also went to school with Somu. See, one day monkey also went with Somu school, and what happened? Near the school they saw a mango garden. See children, can you see the image? Near the garden, near the school they saw a mango garden. And in this mango garden so many mangoes are there. So what happened? They both are started to playing in the garden also. See, they playing in the house and now they are going to school in some not daily, every day not going. In some day they are going to school, and what happened? Near the school they saw a mango garden and here they started to play. Then next what happened? Yes, next देखिए, continue the story. Next day, Somu. First, this all. I hope in last session also you finished this one, like right, children. So, can you repeat one more time? So, I want all my kids repeat after me. First, I'm going to read, and after that, I will tell the meaning for this one, this slide. Okay? सोमू थक जाने के कारण वही लेट गया तभी एक मक्खी सोमू की नाक पर बैठ गई। बंदर उसे भगाता लेकिन मक्खी फिर से आ जाती। तभी बंदर को गुस्सा आया। Children, see the first line. What happened? Somu. The first line. What happened? Somu थक जाने के कारण वही लेट गया. See in the previous slide, what we see, they both are started the playing in the mangoes garden. In near what school is in near the school? Which garden is there? Mangoes garden, right? Excuse me. So mango garden is there, right? Kirti ma'am. कीर्ति मैम, कीर्ति मैम मेरी आवाज जा रही है? Yes, children, kindly mute your mic. Yes. See what happened in the previous slide. What we see on mango garden near the school, right? So what happened next? They both are playing. They started playing with the mango garden, and what happened? They both get tired. Somu get tired. So what happened? Somu lie down under the tree. Under the tree. Can you see the image, children? In the down. Yes, Somu lie down under the tree because what happened? Somu becomes very tired. See, they both are playing lot of time in the garden, right? So what happened? Somu become very tired and Somu lie down under the tree. Can you see the image, children? And now second line, see here, यहाँ पर तभी एक मक्खी तभी एक मक्खी सोमू सोमू की नाक पर बैठ गई. So what happened? Somu is lie down under the tree, right? So that time what happened? A fly, a house fly. The children see the image. This is house fly. And what happened? The house fly came and sit in the Somu's nose. Can you see the image, children? See, house fly come and sit in the Somu's nose. So next what happened? बंदर उसे भगाता लेकिन मक्खी फिर से आ जाती. तभी बंदर को गुस्सा आया. So what happened? The monkey started to fly the house fly, but what happened? The house fly is come again and again and disturbing the Somu. disturbing the nose of the monkey is sitting on the nose of the Somu, right? So what happened? The fly is disturbing Somu again and again. And monkey बंदर को गुस्सा आ गया. गुस्सा means got angry. He got angry because the fly, the house fly is disturbing Somu, right? So the monkey got angry. See the face very good. गुस्सा आ गया. बंदर को गुस्सा आ गया. He got very angry. Can you see the meaning, children, for this one? See first one, thak gaya. Thak means tired. Tak means tired. And next karan. Karan means reason. Karan, reason. And next fir. Fir means again. So the fly is, the house fly is sitting again and again, right? Fir. Fir means again. Late. Late means lie down. Under the tree, the Somu lie down, right? So late gaya. Jane means being. Tabi, then. Ek makhi, we call it as honey bee, otherwise we call it as housefly also. And next, naak means nose. And next, bait gayi means she sit down. The housefly is come and sit on the Somu's nose, right? So bait gayi. Next, bagata means run away. The monkey is see bagata means run away. Next, lekin means but. Ajati, come again. Ajati. And last one is gussa. Gussa means angry. He got very angry because the house fly is disturbing to the Somu. So the monkey got hungry. See? Angry. Gussa. Can you read, children, one more time this one? See, children. Somu tak जाने के कारण. Can you repeat one more time? सोमू थक जाने के कारण वही लेट गया. तभी एक मक्खी सोमू की नाक पर बैठ गई. बंदर उसे भगाता लेकिन मक्खी फिर से आ जाती. तभी बंदर को गुस्सा आया. What happened? The monkey, the both are started to playing in the mangoes garden, and Somu become very tired. So he lie down under the tree. That time what happened? A fly came, a house fly came and sit in the nose of the Somu. And what happened? The monkey flies the house fly, but the fly come again and again. And what happened? The monkey got very angry. Can you see the next last one, children? So what happened? Yes? Can you read? First I am going to read, children. I want all my kids listen here. Usne pattar means stone. उसने पत्थर से सोमू की नाक पर मारा. मक्खी तो उड़ गई, लेकिन सोमू की नाक से खून निकलने लगा. फिर सोमू ने उसे मार भगाया. सोमू ने उसे मार भगाया. Yeah, children, can you see the image, children? The first one, see, in monkey's hand, what is this? Stone. Yes, the big stone. Stone को क्या बोलेंगे हिंदी में? पत्थर. Stone को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? पत्थर. So the first line, उसने पत्थर से सोमू की नाक पर मारा. मक्खी तो उड़ गया, लेकिन सोमू की नाक से खून निकलने लगा. So what happened in the story? The previous slide, what happened? The monkey got angry because the one housefly is sitting on the nose of Somu, right? So what happened? He flew with the monkey is taking the stone. He taking the big stone and hit Somu's nose. What happened? The monkey is taking the stone and he hit the Somu's nose. What happened, children? The monkey is fly away bird, but the Somu's nose is started bleeding. See, the big stone is, and now can you see the image? Second image, the nose of the Somu is bleeding. It started bleeding. See, so many bloods are coming. The house fly is fly away, but what happened? The Somu's nose started bleeding. So next what happened? ले खून निकलने लगा. फिर सोमू ने उसे मार भगाया मीन्स रन अवे. So what happened? And Somu suddenly get up and they saw Somu beaten the monkey and said go away. He said run away. Yes, see go away. Somu beaten the monkey and said go away. Can you see this image, children? See, first monkey get angry with the housefly. Then now what happened? Somu got angry because his nose is full of blood. Who hit the Somu's nose? Yes, monkey. उसने पत्थर से, see children, can you read one more time? उसने पत्थर से, पत्थर means stone. उसने पत्थर से सोमू की नाक पर मारा. मक्खी तो उड़ गया लेकिन सोमू की नाक से खून निकलने लगा. फिर सोमू ने उसे मार भगाया. So what happened? In the last slide, what we see, children? A fly came and sit in the nose of Somu, and the housefly come again and again. The monkey is got very angry, and what happened? Monkey is taking a stone and hit Somu's nose, but the Somu's nose was started bleeding because the housefly is flew away, but the Somu's nose is bleeding, right? So Somu beaten the monkey and said, "Go away." And can you see the meaning, children? First one क्या है? उसने means he उसने. And next one पत्थर means stone. मारा means hit. किसने मारा? So बंदर ने सोमू को मारा, right? Hit. Next उड़ गई means flew away. उड़ गई. Next लेकिन means but. लेकिन खून means blood. See, Somu nose started bleeding. blood को क्या बोलेंगे? खून. निकलने means coming out. The blood is coming out. निकलने. And last one is मार भगाया means beaten up. He started beaten because the Somu's nose is bleeding. So he got very angry with monkey, right? So beaten up को क्या बोलेंगे? मार भगाया. Children, any doubt in this story? You can ask. Kindly text in your chat box. Otherwise, I will ask you questions. Yes, children, any doubt in this story? Okay, children, shall I ask the questions? Kindly text in your chat box. Yes, very good children. Okay, children, who doesn't want to go to school? Who doesn't want to go to school? Yes, very good. Somu. And who lived in a village? Who lived in a village? Very good. Somu. Yes, very good. Somu and monkey. Which animal lived in a village, children? Which animals? Which animals lived in a village? Monkey. Monkey को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? बंदर. वेरी गुड. मंकी को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? बंदर. Who went to the garden? Who went to the garden? Somu and Bandar. Which tree was near the school? Which tree was near the school? Yes, mango tree. आम का भाग. Yes, mango tree. Right, children? Very good. With the Somu, who was playing? Very good, children. With the Somu, who was playing? Yes, Bandar. Okay, children, who was disturbing the Somu? Who was disturbing the Somu? Yes, Makhi, housefly. Very good, Makhi. Makhi is disturbing to Somu, right? Very good, children. And who got an angry? Who got an angry? Yes, Bandar. Bandar got an angry. Very good, children. Angry. Yes, very good. And what did the monkey throw to the housefly? What did the monkey throw to housefly? Yes, stone को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? Big stone is that man. He put it to the nose to Sogu nose man. Yes, very good. Stone को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? पत्थर. Very good. पत्थर. Very good, children. And आम का भाग को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? In English, आम का भाग means. What is the meaning of आम का भाग? Yes. Yes, very good, children. I'm getting answers. Very good. Superb, children. Okay, children. What is the meaning of गाँव? गाँव बोलने से क्या है? गाँव means village. Oh, very good, children. What is the meaning of एक दिन? एक दिन means what? One day. एक दिन. Very good. One day. Yes, children. Very good. Superb. I'm getting lot of answers. What is the meaning of खून? खून. खून बोलने से क्या है? The last slide we see. What is the meaning of खून? Yes, blood. खून, not school. खून. क में बड़ी की मात्रा. कू ना खून. Very good. Blood. Blood को क्या बोलेंगे? खून. And what is the meaning of गुस्सा? गुस्सा. गुस्सा बोलने से क्या है? Yes, angry. Very good, children. Superb. I'm getting lot of answers. Okay, now we go to see the. Very hungry. Yes, very good. Very good, Niralia. Kindly mute your mic, dear. Very good, children. Now we go to the see the related to the lessons. Very good, children. I'm getting lot of answers. See, children, अभी हम लोग क्या देखने वाले हैं? विलोम शब्द. See, every lesson we saw विलोम शब्द, right? So, चलिए विलोम शब्द देखेंगे. लेसन का नाम क्या है? नटखट लड़का, नॉटी बॉय. एंड नाउ यू कैन सी चिल्ड्रन विलोम शब्द. विलोम शब्द मीन्स क्या है? ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. काइंडली रिपीट आफ्टर मी चिल्ड्रन. ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वन क्या है? बहुत. बहुत. रिपीट आफ्टर मी चिल्ड्रन. बहुत मीन्स मोर. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग फॉर मोर? मोर का ऑपोजिट क्या है? काइंडली टेक्स्ट इन योर चैट बॉक्स. What is the opposite for more? Yes, less. Less को क्या बोलेंगे? कम. बहुत कम. Repeat after me children. बहुत कम. And second one, चढ़ना. चढ़ना. चढ़ना means to climb. चढ़ना. Yes, climbing up. चढ़ना. To climb. And what is the opposite for to climb को opposite क्या है? Yes, coming down, right? उतरना. उतरना, get off. उतरना. चढ़ना. उतरना. चढ़ना. उतरना. And next one क्या है? Third one is दोस्त. दोस्त means friend. Friend. What is the opposite for friend, children? Yes, विलोम शब्द दोस्त का opposite क्या है? Enemy. Friend. Friend opposite is enemy. Very good. Enemy को क्या बोलेंगे? दुश्मन. दुश्मन. Yes, yes, dear. दोस्त, दुश्मन. दोस्त, दुश्मन. Children, listen one more time. First one, बहुत. बहुत means more. Come. Come means less. More and less. Yes. One more. Come. Yes, dear. I am repeating one more only. Listen here. बहुत. बहुत means more and come. Come means less. Less quantity. Yes, less. More come. Ma'am, it is come on come. Come on come. Come, come. Come. Okay, ma'am. Yes. क में आ की मात्रा. क म. Come. Come means less. Next one, second one, चढ़ना. चढ़ना. चढ़ना means to climb. चढ़ना. Opposite क्या है? उतरना. उतरना. Coming down. Yes. चढ़ना. उतरना. चढ़ना. उतरना. एंड नेक्स्ट वन क्या है? दोस्त. दोस्त मीन्स फ्रेंड. फ्रेंड को क्या बोलेंगे? दोस्त. एंड अवर एनिमी वी कॉल इट एज दुश्मन. 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 आई हैव माय ऑल माय किड्स आर लॉट हैविंग लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, राइट? तो आपके पास क्या है? बहुत सारे दोस्त. दोस्त मीन्स फ्रेंड. एंड एनिमी को क्या बोलेंगे? दुश्मन. दुश्मन. दोस्त, दुश्मन. एंड लास्ट वन क्या है? हमेशा. हमेशा. हमेशा मीन्स ऑलवेज. हमेशा, ऑलवेज. एंड कभी कभी. कभी कभी मीन्स समटाइम्स. ऑलवेज ऑपोजिट इज समटाइम्स. सो हमेशा, कभी कभी. कभी कभी मीन्स समटाइम्स. कभी कभी. Can you repeat one more time, children? First क्या है? Opposite words. First one is, what is the first one? बहुत कम. बहुत कम. And second one, चढ़ना. उतरना. चढ़ना. उतरना. And third one, दोस्त, दुश्मन. दोस्त, दुश्मन. And last one is हमेशा, always. कभी कभी, sometimes. कभी कभी. हमेशा, कभी कभी. These all are opposite words. I will send this PPT, dear children. What all my kids try to read. And now next we go to the see the fill in the blanks. खाली स्थान भरिए. Now that time I want Children, kindly unmute and say the answers. Okay, I'm going to read and I want the answer from you. See, children, the first one is Amrai. That means mango's garden. In Hindi, in pure Hindi, we say mango's garden, Amrai. And next one, Nak. Nak means nose. And third one, Bahat. Bahat means is more. Yes, more. And last one, Somu. The boy name is Somu. Yes, children, I hope all my kids are ready, right? Say the answer, unmute, and suddenly you can mute your mic, okay? See, first one I'm going to read. लड़के का नाम dash था. Yes, children, what is the answer? Yes, Somu. First answer क्या है? Somu. लड़के का नाम सोमू था. Very good, children. And now second question. Second question देखिए. गांव में बंदर डैश थे. गांव में बंदर डैश थे. Answer, children, the second question. गांव
बंदर थे.
बंदर. Yes. गांव में बहुत. This is first one and this one is second. गांव में बहुत बंदर थे. Very good, children. गांव में बहुत, so many monkeys in the village, right? Yes. Now we can see the read the third one. स्कूल के रास्ते में एक डैश पड़ी थी. Children, the near the school is in the near the school. What garden is there? Yes, Amrai. Yes, very good, children. स्कूल के रास्ते में एक अमराई पड़ी थी. Mango's garden. The near the school, Mango's garden is there. Now, fourth one देखिए. ओके सर, थैंक यू सर. मक्खी आकर सोमू की डैश पर बैठी. यस, नाक पर बैठी. नंबर 4. वेरी गुड. मक्खी आकर सोमू की नाक पर बैठी. The housefly is come and sit in the nose of Somu. Right, children? Naak. Okay, now learn next one. Next one is true false. This one also I want answer from you, children. True false. सोमू गांव के स्कूल में रोज बार बार नहीं जाता था. This is true or false? True. सोमू गांव के स्कूल में रोज बार बार नहीं थी. She's not going to school every day. This is true or false?
True, ma'am. True.
Yes, very good. The Somu doesn't want to go to school, right? Daily. Very good. So you have to put tick mark. Can you read the second one, children? सोमू को लिखना पढ़ना बहुत पसंद था. See, children, Somu like loving to read and write. Is it true or false?
False, ma'am.
Yes, he doesn't want to. Yes, he doesn't want to go to school. He doesn't want to study, right? Very good. So this is wrong. So you have to put a wrong cross symbol. Okay. Now we go to the third one. बंदर को मक्खी पर गुस्सा नहीं आया. Yes, children.
False, ma'am.
Yes. Why? The monkey got angry. But here what is saying? The monkey doesn't want to angry. This is false. True. Sorry, false. You have to put cross symbol. And now last one. सोमू की नाक में बड़ी चोट. चोट means that bleeding, started bleeding, right? चोट आई. True or false, children?
True.
Yes. True.
Not false.
Very good. True. Very good children. Somu ki naak mein badi because the monkey is beaten the stone, right? So Somu got started the bleeding. Yes, Somu nose is started to bleeding. So this is true. I know all my kids are very good and they are answering very well. Superb children, excellent, good job.